Hello friends, good morning and good evening. So your friend Kumar is back with the review of another decent college in Karnataka. So the college is called Alvas Institute of Engineering and Technology, and this college is based on Mudbidri, which is in Mangalore district. So this college is in Mangalore, and it's a very beautiful green lush college. So let's start the review. So this college, this foundation started in 1995, and it's located in the South Canara region or the Mangalore region of it, and it has as a foundation runs a lot of institutions, around 21 of them in Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, and it includes your engineering college, management college, and host of PU schools and others. So it's a very established group which is in the education sector, and they have colleges in outside India also, and they have this college specifically which I'm reviewing started. Alvas Engineering College started in 2008, and it has a spread into 144 acres. So you can understand this is a very good, beautiful college campus, and 24 kilometers away from Mangalore International Airport. And the best part of why I'm covering this college is I saw there is a 20 lakhs high is the highest salary in this college. So 20 lakhs highest salary for this college is one of the reason why I'm reviewing this today. And you can see this 100 plus acres of campus, and it's all 24 kilometers from the Mangalore International Airport. And these are some of the pictures, and I have shared for the campus. How does it look? So it's a quite decent, very good college in terms of campus facilities. And you have the laboratories in collaboration with Linux, Intel, CNC labs, and other for the cross subjects. So that's good part, and that's a right focus is there from the academic pursuit excellence perspective. And so from branch perspective, you get host of branch here. So computer science, artificial information science, electronics, mechanical, and civil branch. And apart from that, they have a programs for MBA and the other basic sciences. So but today I'm going to cover, as you know, engineering part. So now coming to the cutoff, right, from the KCET, you can get this college for 42,000 in computer science, and information science 65,247, and electronics you can get up to 89,000. So you can see 87,000, and electronics up to 89,000. So you can see all the branches you can get from 40,000 to 80,000. So if your rank is low, please don't take a lower grade college in Bangalore, but take this one. And Comet K, you can again see the Comet K CSC is around 41,964, AIML 42, similar ISC I have missed, but ISC is also 42, EC is 43, mechanical very surprisingly closed at 24,000, so that means popular there, and sale 41,000. So you get all the college even if your rank is 40,000. Now coming to the placement part, why I'm reviewing this is basically 543 students got placed in 89-19, and 398 students got placed in 1920. So 500 students gets placed every year, and out of 197 and 149 companies which visit campus. So this is what I said, the number of offers are great, 367 plus offers here it says, and total put together across branches, right, and is not a bad, this is year to year comparisons, just to show that every year the number of companies are in. So this year 367, and placement is going on through 2020 479 and so on. So, and this is one student from CSC got 20 lakh salary at Amazon. So all the good companies are visiting this campus. Amazon is visiting, they pay 20 lakhs for CSC student. This is another great company, ENY, right? And this is a number of students who got placed in Ernst & Young. So that's what, a good number of companies. This is the number of students who got placed of TCS, around 11 of them. So that's, that's the reason, I'm reviewing this college, and it has a good placement, right, in terms of companies, the type of companies which visit there. There's another multinational company in Bangalore which is called Every India, and you see 19 students. So this is a big, you can say a bulk or a mass recruiter. There's another Infosys, right, 23 people Infosys take, and they see they take from ISC, CSC, and they're also taking civil mechanical. So this is another ENY. So EYY is taking 26. So you see 23, 26, and all many companies, big companies are taking a lot number of students, right, from this college. And that's the reason you see 5 people from 4 from Cognizant, then the company around 18 of them, And so there's a host of list of companies. I'm not covering every one small company, 1, 2, 5, but I'm just trying to say only bigger companies. There is global Bangalore based company, again 5 to 6 students, 6 students basically here. And and then you see IBM, 6 students, for ISC, mechanical, CSE. So they are taking from across branches, and that's the reason why I'm think this is makes a decent sense to get into this college, because you get it all the ranks. And this is about the hostel. So you have a boys and girls hostel both with a good Mbps lease line, or there's a veg and non-veg mess operating in the campus, and the campus is very good. You can see that. And apart from that, there's a good number of food courts. It's a 100+ acres campus, right? So you get everything in a big shape, and food courts, right? In colleges, many of them, right? And apart from that, the student facilities at the hostel level is sports and fitness, right? So you have a lot of indoor and outdoor games. There's a cricket field, running track, and everything is there inside the college campus itself. So the playgrounds are there, 3 playgrounds, and then there's a gym facilities for both girls and boys. So you don't miss on your fitness regime, and you get the environment is cool, as well as your fitness program could be very helpful, so to get out of the stress. And now the students who don't want to stay in hostel, but they looking for transportation facilities provided from different parts of Mangalore. Medical facility, they are also quite good and decent. Hospital is there, and they do have a lot of events every year. So you can see the snapshot. They bring people from Bollywood and other parts, so that there is an all the cultural and the events happens as big bash, right? So overall, this college is a quite decent college, and the best part is you're getting at a very low rank. So please do consider this college's rank is put in 40 to 80,000, 90,000 in KCET, and you will get it, or you don't get stuck to a bad college in Bangalore, or so hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, so that more and more people know about many colleges in KCET and Bangalore and or Karnataka region.